Hi everyone. I just would like today to give people a little bit of an update on what's going on with my car. I had an accident. Well, I didn't have an accident. I had someone drive into me in a car park a couple of months ago now, and it's just about ready to be delivered back to me. It's been to and from the actual repair place a couple of times. It came back to me for the first time, and all the actual door and everything had been fixed and painted, but there was a problem with the left door mirror. It didn't unfold, so unfortunately it's had to go back. And that's why I've got this hire car. I had a Volvo XC60 for probably about 10 days or so over Christmas, and then I've had this Audi for probably getting on for a week now. But my car's due back, but there's a little update that I'd just like to give everyone on the insurance side of things. Funnily enough, I've just had my insurance renewal through for this coming year, and what has actually gone on is my renewal was probably about 25% more than last year. I actually just took that as well, even though it's not my fault. I expected my insurance to increase, for this year. So I literally just took it on the chin when I went to ring up my insurance brokers, which is Gallagher's in Liverpool. I went to pay the insurance, and I just asked, is the insurance increased because of this claim? And I found out that they've actually put a 25% loading on my insurance premium, because when my renewal was generated, the result of this claim wasn't known, and this is new information for me, so I thought I'd share it. So effectively what the brokers have done, and that's probably their policy, is because it wasn't categoric to them that it was a non-fault accident, they automatically put a 25% increase on the premium. Now, I've been with Gallagher's for many years, and one of the ladies who I spoke to told me about this, and she actually gave me another number of one of the claim handlers, and explained to me that if I was to get in touch with him, and he was able to categorically say to the brokers, look, the third party have admitted liability and it's non-fault, that this 25% can be taken off. So that's what I did, and that's what's happened. So my insurance, it was going to be, I think, £261 more for the year to actually insure, but now it's just at, I think, a normal 3% increase, so I think it's £34 for the year increased. My insurance company, Aviva, excellent. I couldn't recommend them anymore. They've been superb. No issues. The repair company have been very good, and even the brokers, Gallagher's, superb to let me know this information. But I was a little bit miffed why on the renewal I wasn't actually told that there was a 25% loading because of this. And if I hadn't have had such a decent relationship with my brokers, would that have even been told to me? Would it have been told to someone else who was in that same situation? I've been assured that 25% loading would have been refunded to me as and when the claim had been ticked as third party of admitted liability, but I'm not so sure that would happen with all scenarios. I'm sure it would happen in my scenario, like I said, with the working relationship I've got with my insurance brokers. They are top drawer, to be honest, all the girls who I speak to. But like I said, it just gave me a little bit of doubt that if this was to happen to someone else, would the insurance brokers and company give that back? Because like I said, there was no indication on my renewal that this loading was put on for that particular reason. So if you're in a similar scenario, please do question it with your insurance of why your insurance has gone up. If you're in a no fault situation and the third party has admitted liability, although I've said in a previous video your insurance may still go up, it doesn't mean that it always will. My scenario, my insurance has gone up, but it's nothing to do with the accident. It's only the yearly increase why my insurance has gone up. So look into it if you're in that same situation. I hope that's useful to everyone. Take care. I'll see you soon.